Number 5 BRP Emilio Jacinto PS35. Number 6 BRP Jose Loor Sr. Number 7 BRP General Mariano Alvarez PS38. Number 8 BRP Juan Magluyan PC392. Number 9 BRP Enrique Jurado PC371. Number 10 BRP Felix Apolinario PC395. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. To watch more amazing informative videos like this, do like, share and subscribe to the channel.